Hello, I'm Food Application Scientist Patty Reyes. In this video, I'll review features and programming of ACP medium volume ovens, the RFS and RCS series. Here's an interesting fact about our model numbers. The R stands for radar range. When Amana first began producing microwave ovens in the 1950s, they were marketed under the Radar Range brand. ACP continues this legacy by producing Amana microwaves for the commercial market. RFS stands for Radar Range Food Service Series, and RCS stands for Radar Range Commercial Series. The numbers in each model represent the amount of microwave energy. For instance, the RFS 18TS output 1800 watts of microwave energy. Higher wattage equals faster cook times. The D or T at the end of the model number indicates whether the microwave is a dial or a programmable touch model. ACP classifies their ovens as light, medium, and heavy volume. What does that mean? Light volume ovens can be used up to 50 times a day. Medium volume ovens between 50 and 125 times a day, and heavy volume ovens are designed for use up to 200 times a day. As I mentioned, the RFS and RCS are considered medium volume ovens, so they can withstand 50 to 125 cook cycles per day. They're an ideal choice for break rooms or busy restaurant kitchens. The RCS 10DSE and RCS 10TS output 1,000 watts of cooking power. The RFS 12TS outputs 1,200 watts. These three models operate on a 120 volt circuit, so no special electrical outlets are needed to operate these ovens. The RFS 18TS requires a 208 or 240 volt circuit. Many operators don't want to install new outlets in their test kitchens, so the 120 volt RCS and the RFS 12TS offer quality and convenience. All models are 1.2 cubic feet in capacity and can hold 14-inch to 16-inch platters, easily heating large portions. No other 1,000 watt commercial microwave features as much cavity space as the RCS. The interior and exterior are stainless steel, making the ovens easy to clean and durable in tough commercial kitchen environments. Most 1,000 watt microwaves send energy into the oven cavity from the bottom. The RCS distributes microwave energy into the cavity from the top. The Amana commercial top feed design distributes energy more evenly for better cooking results than competitor ovens. For example, when heating nachos, the RCS top feed design will melt cheese without burning the chips. Allow me to demonstrate. My nacho recipe is pretty simple. 2 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese sprinkled over 3 ounces of tortilla chips on a ceramic plate. I'll place it in the RCS 10TS for 1 minute at 70% microwave. Notice the creamy melted cheese and no chips have burned. The specially designed dual magnetron system in the RFS provides even faster cooking results because 2 magnetrons are delivering microwave energy into the cavity from the top and bottom. All ovens feature an air filter located beneath the door and a clean filter reminder that appears once a week on the oven display. The RFS air filter is easily removed and cleaned in the sink or ware washer. RCS ovens have non-removable air filters that should be wiped down when the clean filter reminder appears. The oven fan, which pushes air through the filters, will turn on when the door is open and remains on for 1 minute after the door is closed. This cools and protects components from harsh kitchen environments. Even though the fan is on, there is no microwave energy in the cavity until a cooking program is selected. Up to 100 menu items can be saved in the RFS and RCS ovens. Both series cook in 4 stages with 5 power levels, including 20% defrost. The RCS 10DSE features a lighted dial and offers simple operation. The 10-minute electronic dial differs from the competition's mechanical egg timer dial. When the door is open in the middle of a cooking cycle, the dial resets to 0. This prevents the oven from running without food in the cavity. Operating a microwave without food can cause damage. This model is ideal for convenience stores and server stations, where a programmable model may not be desired. The Amana RCS 10DSE is the only commercial dial model on the market with 4 touch pad power levels, including 20% defrost. Power levels allow users the flexibility to thaw meats and frozen soups. Let me show you how it works. Manual operation mode gives the operator the freedom to use pre-programmed keypads or the time entry pad, indicated by the clock symbol, to enter a cook time. The power level keys are located above the time entry keypad. These keys allow the operator to adjust how much microwave energy is used during a cook cycle. Certain food items like instant oatmeal may require less microwave energy to cook properly, and the 20% keypad is the appropriate setting to defrost most frozen foods. Another handy feature is the ×2 pad. Use this pad when cooking 2 of the same item at once. The microwave calculates the proper time and power level. The RFS and RCS series ship from the factory with programmed times assigned to each number pad. For instance, the number 3 pad is set to cook for 30 seconds, but this can be changed. If you have an item you cook many times a day, programming mode allows you to begin the cooking cycle with one touch of a button, saving time and energy. The user can assign customized cook times, power levels, and up to 4 cooking stages to each number key. Open the door. Press the number 1 keypad for 5 seconds. The buzzer sounds once to indicate programming mode is activated, and the display reads PROG. Press the number pad to reprogram, in this case, number 3. The display will show the current cook time, 30 seconds. Select the time entry pad and enter the new time. Use the 20%, 50%, 70%, or 100% keypads to input power level. Some applications may require stage cooking as well. Number keypads on the RCS and RFS can be programmed to accept up to 4 cooking stages. I'll use a chicken breast as an example. This is a 4-ounce frozen pre-cooked chicken breast. I will defrost and cook it in the RFS 12TS using multiple stages. I need to set the first stage to 45 seconds at 50% power to thaw the chicken. To do this, select time entry or the clock symbol and enter 45 seconds. Then select the 50% keypad. Select the time entry pad again to enter settings for stage 2. 30 seconds at 100% power to allow the microwave energy to thoroughly penetrate the protein fibers. The third stage is set to 1 minute and 30 seconds to completely cook the chicken to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit without over-drying the breast. I'll wait a few seconds to let the heat equilibrate throughout the product before checking its temperature and serving. Energy is still moving into the center of the product even though it's been removed from the microwave. This applies when cooking with a conventional oven as well. You can see the chicken breast is still juicy and tender. I hope you've enjoyed learning about Amana commercial medium volume microwaves. More information and support are available 24 hours a day at the ComServe Support Center. Just call 1-866-426-2621 or email commercialservice@acpsolutions.com. Thank you for visiting the ACP Culinary Center, where we're changing the way the world cooks.